Rainbow plug-and-play solution for Tesla Model 3. Tesla Model 3 comes with a factory-installed 14-speaker system. The standard model features 8 active speakers, while the remaining 6 are not functional. Additionally, there is no subwoofer or amplifier included in the audio system, resulting in limited power, a lack of sub-bass depth, and limited dynamic range. Furthermore, there is no DSP for time alignment, causing mono sound to be heard from every seat in the car, and preventing an immersive listening experience. Now let's explore the Tesla Model 3 full upgrade kit, developed by Rainbow engineers. The subwoofer is 10-inch, with 350 watts power output, extending down to 33 Hz. It perfectly complements the missing sub-bass frequencies, giving the overall sound an incredible sense of power. It can be seamlessly installed in the trunk's factory mounting location. The highlight of this upgrade kit is the 12-channel DSP amplifier. Let's take a look at its technical specifications. 12-channel high-level output, max 1000 watts power output. It has 4 times the power of the factory-installed system. It includes a separate subwoofer amplifier, with a max output of 350 watts, and comes with a dedicated wiring harness for a lossless connection to the factory audio system. It activates the whole factory-installed 14 speakers, and truly packs a punch, ensuring you feel every beat. Meanwhile, Rainbow engineers fine-tuned the audio effects, using professional acoustic equipment. The built-in hi-fi and all-seat modes can be easily switched using the mobile app, resolving the issue of mono sound, and delivering a truly dynamic and powerful listening experience. Rainbow plug-and-play system. A perfect fit in your Tesla Model 3.